Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am walking through the mall. I just left back there behind me my son. Tomorrow's his birthday. He'll be 24. He is going to go get a haircut, and so I figured why not just walk through the mall and see what I can see. I'm not sure what store I'm going to go into. I remember me seeing a flyer of a store that was brand new and opening. I guess it's like a Japanese, what is it called? It was a Japanese brand store or something like that. Kind of like a Daiso, but something different. I don't know. I've never been into it. So if I run into it, I will go in there. But for now, I'm headed towards Walmart. And I wanted to go in there first to look at some stuff, and then me and him will probably walk through the mall. I am so tempted to go in here. Maybe I should. Entire store up to 60% off. So let's go see. Oh, you guys know I love sweatshirts. This is super cute. 25 and it says sassy. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I might need one of these to go with my checkered Vans. This is cute, but I only see the one, so I have to look for that one. And they don't have my size, so I'll have to look for this online. Oh, this is cute. Like that one. They got so many screen prints. Oh my God, I would go crazy in here right now. Barbie. Look at the Rugrats. Pink Floyd. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it's my favorite prints. Okay, this is pretty. And New Year's is coming, and who doesn't like wearing sequins on New Year's Day? This is $26.99. That is not too bad, but I bet it's on sale. And the back is all black. That is so cute. I like that. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. How much? $24.99. Those are cute. They got lots of boots, but I don't really like this one. I don't like the way the front looks. How it's, I don't know, the shape of it is kind of weird to me. Look at that. But they have lots of boots. Okay, that wedge is cute right there. I can dig that one. What's up, sucker? That is so cute. $6.99. Okay, they got a lot of gifts that will be good stocking stuffers in here. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's cute. Okay, I couldn't help but to see these. Look at that, pumpkin spice frosted flakes. I have never seen those. That sounds good. So the last time I was here and I showed you guys all of the, you know, the sets and everything, I did not see this one. Look at that. That is so cute. It comes with that cute little pouch with all of those brushes. And they have this one as well. I thought that was real cute. You guys, look at these things on clearance. $9. I'm not even sure. It's a metal decor. But look at the cow's face. Look at that. So you have a cow, you have a flying pig. And these are on clearance. You have the goose, mushrooms, an owl, and then way down here it looks like a tractor, which is kind of cute, especially to put in a garden. That's really cute. That one is bigger, and then you have a smaller one over there. My eyes were drawn to the sequins. a mermaid pillow, and it's the big one, like a body size, like that, for $9. Giant pillows, PJ mask, Minnie Mouse. Look at this giant planner set. Let me pick it up. So you have a planner, a tassel, you have washi tape, it looks like glue, a stamp pad, some stamps, stickers, some what are those called again, magnetic bookmarks, and you get all these pins and stuff in here. Look at that. And this one is a glam planner set, and I believe it is $15. That is so cute. If you have a teenager that wants to get into planning, this would be a perfect Christmas gift. And then they have this one as well. The other one said Girl Boss. This one says Carpe Diem. And it's pretty much the same, but just different planners with different color washi tape. This one has the gold one. This one has the copper. But those are cute. Look, you guys, save $10 off any Nerf purchase of 20 or more. You guys know Pooh Bear loves Nerf guns, so these are just sitting by the Nerf gun area, and there you have it. Make sure you look at this shirt. They are so wrong for that. Merry Christmas. Because you know how Mike Tyson has that little lisp. That is so wrong. Okay, so now I am done in Walmart. I'm just pretty much walking around, and I'm gonna make my way down to the, that's what it was a Japanese designer brand store. So I'm gonna make my way down there and see what's in there, because I heard about it, but I haven't been in there yet. Okay, you guys, so the children's store, if you have little ones, the entire store is between 40 to 75% off, and they have some cute stuff in there. I may come back later and see if I can find Pooh Bear some stuff for Christmas. And here comes the train. Here we are, but this is the store that I was talking about, so let's see what they got. These are cute.
Pour moi, le parfumeur, c'est un magicien. C'est celui qui va créer des émotions à tous ceux qui vont emporter son parfum.
Fluorescent tubes. Ministers brand new perfume, a Christmas tree. Fluorescent tubes, a dream like blossom.
They have a thing for Pink Panther, I see.
You want these?
I just love this wall. What is the store called? Miniso. Okay. Oh look, they even have washi tape. And they are 2-packs. I don't see, oh. They are $1.99 for their 2-packs. These are cute. The little reindeer, that's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna leave out of here. To me, it reminds me of Daiso, just a little bit more expensive. I think the stuff is really cute. I was kind of wondering, oh, their dolls over there are so cute on that wall right there. I'm wondering what their fascination is for Pink Panther though. But the store is called Miniso. That's what she just told me. So I'm gonna head over right next door to my favorite store, which is FYE, because they have the cutest socks and I want to see what they got. Look at this sushi candy set. That looks crazy. Oh look, they have munch packs. So instead of ordering a subscription, you can go to your FYE and get that one for $35. That one has snacks in it. This one has, it says candy, drinks, DIY kit, and some other stuff in that one. And then this one is a box of noodles, different kinds of noodles, for $30. The big ones are $35. They have the cutest shirts. Look at the banana cat that we found, the little toys at a Dollar Tree. This is the shirt for it. No, they don't have a Bob Ross sweater, Christmas sweater. How funny. That is so cute. And look at the socks. Oh my goodness. They are buy one get one. Okay, I like this one already. This is so funny to me. Oh, I really like that one. Do you guys have a fun land at your mall? This is what it looks like on the inside. Looks kind of fun, but not really. There's my son, you guys. Can you see him? If he knew I was recording him, he would be so mad. But he's sitting in the chair getting himself together for his birthday. So I'm gonna go in there and see if he's almost done. Okay, you guys, so he is done. Say hi.
And she started a video. All right.
You guys know he does not like the camera, but look at it. He got his fresh haircut, so we are done with that part of it. And where are we going? He wants to go to Hot Topic. Why are you so shy of the camera? Say hi to the ladies. Say hi to the ladies. They gonna tell you happy birthday.
And you're saying that on your...
Well, at least say thank you, because you know they're gonna say.
Thank you everybody. I appreciate it.
So we're gonna head over to Hot Topic real quick. They had some cute sweaters in, where was I just at? I was looking at FYE.
FYE, what's that?
What is that?
That's not your house though, so it doesn't
What
matter.
is it? Your arm is in the way.
Ravenclaw. Harry Potter.
Oh.
It's not your house, so it doesn't matter.
Hi. Oh, this is so cute. That is so cute. Ooh. I wonder why they put like, is that a cricket? A spider? No, this. What is that?
Oh, that's cool. I don't know.
What kind of creature is that? But the cardigan is cute. Oh, look at the chef from South Park. That's funny. The pop vinyl are 3 for $27. That's not bad. Oh, look at the band concert, Mickey Mouse. That's so cute. They always have cute shirts. For Pooh Bear? Persona 5. That's too big for him.
Is it?
Yeah. That would be like a gown on him. Oh, you guys, look. They have these here. How much? I wonder how much these are. Because these are the same ones at the dollar store. But I don't see a price on those. They got Ryan's World stuff. So I just got a price on this and it is $6.90, you guys. $6.90 when you can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1. That's crazy. That's kind of cute. Little Disney Mulan eyeshadow palette, and they got different ones, but that one is cute. I see something else over there. Handbook for, look at that. How interesting. $21.90. There was a Harley Quinn and more of the Nickelodeon. That was cute. Okay, so we are done in there. He didn't find anything that he wanted, although we was looking at stuff that my daughter and Pooh Bear may want for Christmas. So yeah, are we done? Are we leaving now?
Yes.
We are out of here now. We're about to leave the mall. We'll probably go across the street because I have not had any coffee today. We'll probably go get a Dunkin' Donut. He always trying to avoid the camera. Look, stop it. You guys don't mind me. I love messing with my kids. I always mess with them. But yeah, we'll probably go to Dunkin' Donuts and then that'll be it for the mall and for the day. Did you want a cake for your birthday? No cake. So he don't want no cake. So we're not doing a cake for tomorrow. But for the sake of Pooh Bear, I probably will go pick up some cupcakes because that boy, anybody's birthday, he needs to celebrate. He needs some cupcakes. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little mall vlog and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Bye, you guys.